This is my video on friction again, and I titled this one friction 4. In this video, in your jam past question, there is a question there whereby you are asked to find the minimum force or the additional force, as the case may be, required to keep a body from sliding down an inclined plane. If you have such a question, the minimum force required is this one in this direction, and I call it Fm. If you like, you can call it any other thing. I just give this one for the sake of my own video. All right, since the body is not moving downward and it is about to move, so the next thing is just to make sure that the two cases are possible. So I have the first one, Fm, which is the minimum force, plus frictional force, which must equal to mg sine theta. And what is Fs? I don't need to be wasting my time on this one again, because Fs has been given already in my previous video. So Fs must be mu s mg cos theta, and I have Fm here is equal to mg sine theta. So Fm here is equal to mg sine theta minus mu s mg cos theta. Since mg is common here, I can then argue that mg is common, open bracket, sine theta minus mu s cos theta. This is my minimum force required to keep this body from sliding down. So as a student, a proper student that is ready to work, you need to have a formula book whereby all these formula will be given there, will be written there rather, so that anytime a question is given, you know the right formula and you write down the formula. So let us play with some values. Okay, my mass, let me put the mass to be 50 kg, g to be 10 meter per second square, then theta to be 30 degree, and then mu s to be 0.5. Or if I like, let me put my theta to be 45 degree. Okay, so if I want to find my minimum force required now, mass is 50 kg multiplied by 10, open bracket, sine 30, sine theta rather, and that will be sine 45 degree minus 0.5 cos 45 degree. This will give me 500, open bracket, 1 over root 2 minus 1 over 2 times 1 over root 2. All right, so this will give us 500, open bracket, 1 over root 2 minus 1 over 2 root 2. Okay, since I don't have my calculator here, let me clean these parts. Let me clean these parts and then continue rather. Let me continue this. What's the LCM of this? We have 2 root 2 to be the LCM. This one will give me 2. This one will give me 1. And I have 1 over 2 root 2. So that means from here, my minimum force required is equal to 500, open brackets, 1 over 2 root 2. This will give me 2 here 1, 2 here 250. So I have 250 over root 2, which is equal to 250 multiplied by root 2, but this is mathematics anyway, it is called rationalization. So 250 times root 2 over root 2 times root 2, and that will give me 250 root 2 over 2. Yes, 250 over root 2 over 2, and that will be 125 square root 2 in Newton. This is one of the past questions, but I'm not using the value in the past question. I'm not using the value. I'm trying here just to derive a formula that you can just put in your memory, and whenever you have a question like that, you write down the formula and you impute the values you are given in the exam. Again, you know that this is my friction 4. Thank you again for watching this video. Always remember to subscribe. This video is given from Tutopedia Tutorial Center. It is located at Agbo, very close to University of Ibadan. Thank you so much again for watching the video.